looking for a better thing. Wanna replace me? I'm in a place that I've never been. It's worse than lonely. Cause someone tell me they see good in me. There's good in me. Cause I got doubts, I got doubts, I got doubts, yeah. Sometimes I wanna risk it all. Since you left me, struggle, baby, I see pain. Cause I got nothing. Can someone tell me they see good in me? There's good in me. Cause I got doubts, I got doubts, I got doubts, yeah. Ooh, isn't it strange we turn to strangers? You've erased all your pictures on your phone. Ooh, your final words on a piece of paper. I don't love you anymore. Tell me there's good in me. Cause I got doubts, I got doubts.
Alright, well there you go guys. I've been wanting to do a mowing video back here just to show you what it's like a little bit. Obviously you can only get so much perspective through a camera of what it's like to mow back here. But on the sides I have to go up and down to give me some clearance and good turnaround space, just because it's not easy to turn around, especially on this side with all the rocks. It's a workout, it's a challenge to mow back here, but all in all it's not too bad once you just get used to it and find kind of a groove in, you know, how you do things back here. Wanted to also show you guys just in general how things are doing back here. I don't know if it was about a month ago that I showed you how everything was coming out of winter, but let this be a testament to how things can kind of fill in on their own gradually. And you know, we're just maybe a month away from when it initially came out of winter, and just you can see how well it's doing. Obviously it's a different time of day, so the lighting's a little bit different, but in general things are filling in and doing really well back here. So if you remember, so this is that back corner of my lawn. This is where a lot of bare spots were last year that I seeded. And you know, like I said about a month ago, this looked a lot thinner, but you can see it's filling in, and that's just with one application of fertilizer, some humic acid, or humic acids, and RGS. And you can still see there's some bare spots in here, but in general it's not doing too bad. Now here's over on the other corner of my lawn, and this is where a bunch of washout was occurring from my neighbor's downspout. And again, it's still a little thin, but you can tell it's filling in and thickening up quite a bit from the last time I showed you guys. And here's another thin area. Again, this is a little thin still, not too bad. I'm not going to seed it. I'm just going to keep fertilizing, letting things thicken up on their own. I'll seed it in the fall, and you can see it's nice and thick over here. This was a pretty good bare spot last time, and I have some weeds to take care of back here, but I'm not too concerned about that right now. So yeah, that's how the beast is doing. This is a challenge in and of itself. Like I said, mowing it's hard, watering it's hard, fertilizing is hard, growing grass is hard, back here is hard. Nothing about this hill is a challenge. And look at this. There's the old stump from way up there. Anyways, as always guys, thanks for watching my videos. I'm Ben the Lawn Guardian, and I'll see you in the next video.